Hey yarn lovers! Welcome back to Craft Drawer. We're diving into the top-selling yarns on Amazon and exploring which crochet and knitting projects they're perfect for, and why. Whether you're into knitting, crocheting, or both, we've got you covered. Everyone has a favorite yarn. While some of these yarns may not be your favorite choice, these suggestions may help you decide on what type of yarn to use for your next project. If you are interested in any of these yarns and want to learn what color choices are available, check out the links below. Red Heart Super Saver, the all-purpose champion. First up is the Red Heart Super Saver yarn. This 100% acrylic, medium worsted weight yarn is a staple in many crafters' collections. It's ideal for a variety of projects like blankets, scarves, and hats. Its durability and wide range of colors make it a go-to for items that need to withstand frequent use and washing. Why we love it. Machine washable and dryable. Extensive color selection. Great value for the yardage. Best for afghans and throws. Everyday wearables. Home decor items. Next on the list is Lion Brand 24/7 Cotton Yarn, the lightweight workhorse. Material: 100% mercerized cotton. Weight: Category 3 Light DK. Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton is a go-to for crisp stitch definition and bright, bold colors. Because it's mercerized, the cotton has a subtle sheen and won't pill easily. Best for summer tops and tank tops, dishcloths and home decor. Bags with structure. Why we like it: it holds its shape beautifully and is machine washable. Avoid it for soft garments or baby items. It's more structured than cuddly. Number 3 is Woobles Easy Peasy Yarn, made for beginners. Material: cotton nylon blend. Weight: medium. Number 4, worsted. This yarn is specifically designed for beginners. The slightly stiff texture and smooth stitch visibility make it easier to learn to crochet or knit. Best for beginner amigurumi, practice swatches, learning new stitches. Why we like it: the firmness helps newbies maintain tension. But it's not ideal for wearables or drapey pieces due to its firmness. Here's another bestseller. Yarn Art Jeans, the amigurumi darling. Material: 55% cotton, 45% pack, polyacrylic. Weight: sport weight. Loved by amigurumi artists everywhere, Yarn Art Jeans offers a soft, matte finish and subtle stretch, great for small stuffed projects. Best for amigurumi animals and dolls, lightweight baby items, toys with clean stitch definition. Why we like it: it's soft, holds shaping well, and comes in lots of pastel and neutral tones. The thinner weight is also great for finer detail. Another favorite is Caron All Day Cotton, the stylish, everyday cotton. Material: 100% mercerized cotton. Weight: worsted, medium. Number 4. This cotton is smooth, shiny, and luxurious for a 100% cotton yarn. Great for wearables and home items with a bit more polish. Best for summer sweaters and tops. Reusable shopping bags. Washcloths and table linens. Why we like it: mercerized for strength and sheen. Compared to 24/7 cotton, it has a softer drape, better for garments. Next up is Bernat Blanket Yarn, the bulky comfort king. Material: 100% polyester. Weight: super bulky. Number 6. Bernat Blanket Yarn is known for its ultra-plush feel and fast workup. It's big, squishy, and perfect for quick projects. Best for thick, cozy blankets, oversized scarves, pet beds, or poofs. Why we like it: fast to work with and super soft. Too bulky for clothes, but perfect for home coziness. Discover Bernat Baby Blanket Yarn, softness for little ones. Material: 100% polyester. Weight: super bulky. Number 6. This yarn has the same softness as regular Bernat blanket, but with lighter, baby-friendly colors. Best for baby blankets, loveys and plushies, nursery decor. Why we like it: hypoallergenic, easy to wash, and baby-safe. Great for soft textures and big snuggles. Just avoid detailed stitch work, as it's hard to see stitches. Some of the other favorites include Lion Brand Mandela Ombre Yarn. Lion Brand feels like butter, Lily Sugar Cream Cotton Cone Yarn, Caron Simply Soft Yarn, and many others to choose from. You can view the entire list on Amazon through the link below to find what works best for your crochet and knitting projects. So how do you choose? For structure, stick with Lion Brand 24/7. For baby softness, go with Bernat Baby Blanket. If you're a beginner, the Woobles yarn is a game changer. Each yarn brings something unique to the table. Let me know in the comments which yarn you've tried or want to try next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your yarn-loving friends. Until next time, keep those hooks and needles flying.